So let's look at semen collection from the Falcons. So the whole thing is like a continual circle. We select the falcon, we bring it into the house and we hand rear it, we imprint it. They hand rear it in such a really busy work and home environment where they see everything from cars, trains, you know, we make sure we expose them to everything. And the whole purpose is to create that trust bond, to become a partner in future years to the falcon. People often ask me how we collect the semen. It's really sort of intriguing and interesting. So, introducing the AI hats. Now, we've got various hats and various sort of styles and designs, and some with little uplifts on there, and obviously you can see the difference between a flatter hat and a higher dome top. And we'll use these for different birds, basically depending upon, you know, what turns them on. Hats are made from a silicone compound where they are molded generally into a domed shape of some sort, which allows the falcon to mount, just like you'll see with the natural pairs where the male mounts the female, and he'll get his legs either side and he'll push down onto the hat and leave semen, sometimes in multiple places or sometimes in a single cup. So this hat design works really well because it's a honeycomb design and very narrow peaks. It allows the male to drop the semen into the cup without smudging the semen, which is really obviously important when we're collecting the semen to get the maximum volume we can in order to then obviously use on the females. As you'll see here with the male, he approaches the hat, he jumps on and he's copulating. Absolutely natural, totally natural position, his leg positioning, and he's moving and shaping his body just in the same way he would when he's basically with the female. You'll see him push forward and he'll release the semen. I then quickly reward the falcon just to reinforce that he's done a good job. So once we've collected the semen, we'll head straight back into the office. We'll use a special pipette to collect the semen off the hat, making sure we get every little bit before adding it into an Eppendorf. The Eppendorf is then placed into a rack where we extend the semen. We'll use a diluent, and this just gives us extra volume to allow us to inseminate more females. The next thing we need to do is check the quality of the semen. We need to look at the mobility and check that it's viable and active, ready to inseminate the females. As you'll see here on the microscope, you'll see the sperms, the individual sperms, wiggling away, and it's all about volume and volume count, and we're just basically checking, just a visual inspection, just a really quick look. Does that look good? And I think that's kind of experience. I know what good Jersey semen looks like, and I kind of know what good peregrine semen looks like, and that's what we're looking for. We're looking for just good mobile semen, really. That was an overview of how we work with the males. In the next episode, we're going to be looking at the voluntary insemination process with the females and all the way through the egg production. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for all our latest updates. And don't forget, baby chicks are coming soon.